Diet, exercise, getting 7 or 9 hours of sleep each night, and managing stress are well known as the pillars of well-being. It may sound easy, but it can be challenging to keep to a diet of fresh veggies and lean protein when fried food tempts you, or if you're a night owl with a 6 a.m. wake-up call. However, there is a small but discerning set of people who are extremely self-disciplined and for whom these things are simply not enough. When they can achieve perfect health, why should they settle for anything less? Meet the biohackers. The term biohacking refers to a method of self-improvement that encompasses a broad range of behaviors. Modifying one's diet, taking cold showers, using wearable gadgets, implanting microchips, and engaging in red light treatment are all examples of biohacking tactics. Biohackers often keep tabs on their vitals like heart rate and sleep habits, since self-experimentation involves data collection and method adjustment. They are also open to experimenting with different diets, not necessarily for weight loss, but to discover what works best for them, such as elimination diets or intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating, which are all forms of biohacking. An important part of a biohacker's routine may also include taking supplements. Biohackers often utilize supplements for a different purpose, to maximize their cognitive and physical capacities, as opposed to the typical supplement user who fills nutritional gaps, to prevent, for instance, a vitamin D shortage, and takes preventative measures for their health. To what end does biohacking strive? Maximizing health and promoting healthy aging is the ultimate goal of hacking your biology. This includes improving the body's resistance to stress and immune system problems, as well as its energy production and maintenance capabilities, and its ability to synthesize hormones, proteins, and neurotransmitters. Biohacking may be defined as the use of any high-quality supplement. You may bolster your health status with what we call the basics: magnesium, essential amino acids, such as branched-chain amino acids, probiotics, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. But biohacking pills in particular might help you on your path to self-improvement. A biohacker's journey isn't complete without these 12 vitamins. 1. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10 is an excellent source of healthy energy. Our mitochondria contain this fat-soluble molecule which aids in the movement of electrons during the creation of ATP, the process by which cells generate energy, hence sustaining vital organs such as the heart, kidneys, and lungs. In our bodies, we all have CoQ10. Aging brings about a natural decrease in healthy levels of CoQ10, since time does not spare anyone. Because of its importance, biohackers supplement their diets with coenzyme Q10. As a dietary supplement, CoQ10 has strong evidence of beneficial effects. Reduced coenzyme Q10, known as ubiquinol, has an absorption rate that is 8 times higher than that of ubiquinone. You might argue that PQQ and CoQ10 are the dynamic duo that promotes optimal cellular energy generation because of how effectively they complement each other. 2. NAD+ boosters. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NAD+. What exactly is it? Energy generation, the maintenance of a regular sleep-wake cycle, the repair of damaged DNA, an effective immunological response, and normal aging all depend on this coenzyme. Although NAD+ cannot be taken orally like CoQ10, there are nutrients that may be supplemented to increase NAD+ levels. By assisting in the preservation of healthy NAD+ levels, which inevitably decrease with age, you are engaging in what is basically do-it-yourself biology, bolstering several biological pathways that ensure your optimal functioning. 3. Melatonin. The foundations of good health include getting enough restful sleep, manage your sleep issues, and improve your health by manipulating your melatonin levels. Melatonin is well known as the sleep hormone, but this mineral has many uses outside just helping you get a good night's sleep. According to the research, melatonin may also have positive effects on the immune system and promote healthy aging. As we've observed with many things, melatonin synthesis naturally drops with age, which disrupts our sleep cycles and has bad effects on our health. If we want to feel our best at any age, it's essential to maintain appropriate melatonin levels because, let's be honest, getting a good night's sleep does wonders for our immune systems. It is crucial to discover melatonin formulas that suit your demands because everyone's biology is different. You can follow the advice of your doctor. there is a wide variety of melatonin products available, including time-released and fast-acting formulations, gummy forms, and various doses. 5. Ashwagandha. As a calming agent, ashwagandha eases mental tension. Everyone who is even remotely interested in biohacking has likely heard of ashwagandha. An important part of Ayurvedic practice, this powerful adaptogen promotes a balanced reaction to stress and feelings of calm. Ashwagandha extract users reported less stress and lower cortisol levels compared to placebo users in a randomized controlled experiment. Find high-quality, easily absorbed goods if you wish to biohack your mental health with this relaxing herb. The most effective supplement will contain standardized extracts of the active ingredients found in ashwagandha, which are derived from the plant's roots and leaves. 5. Resveratrol. Red wine is a source of resveratrol. Famous for its anti-aging properties, resveratrol may be the OG of biohacking supplements. After all, extending your life expectancy is the ultimate hack. This name could bring to mind a high-quality reserve wine, and you wouldn't be completely wrong. Resveratrol is a nutrient that can be found in red grapes, hello rose and red wines, as well as in plants such as Japanese knotweed. Is it better to drink lots of red wine and forego the supplement? For reasons that will become clear later on, alcohol will not aid in biohacking healthy aging. Red wine, when consumed in moderation as part of a healthy diet, may have some positive effects on health, but the amount of resveratrol your body needs to reap any advantages would need hundreds of glasses. It goes without saying that consuming alcohol is not conducive to biohacking, because it reaches greater concentrations and circulates longer than conventional resveratrol. A high-quality trans-resveratrol pill is the greatest approach to circumvent resveratrol's health-supportive effects. Here's a bonus tip. Resveratrol and NAD+ supplements are a great match. 6. DHEA or dehydroepiandrosterone. Hormone balancing is an important topic in do-it-yourself biology. Dehydroepiandrosterone, or DHEA for short, is one of the essential hormones for achieving optimal balance. As a precursor to sex hormones such as estrogen and testosterone, DHEA is the body's most abundant circulating hormone. Hormonal imbalance often follows a decrease in levels, which is a sad reality. Enhancing immune function, blood flow, and libido are all possible outcomes of biohacking your hormones and supplementing to maintain appropriate DHEA levels. Natural DEA production is at its peak first thing in the morning, so that's when you should take your supplement. 7. Curcumin. Among the many flavors that turmeric, a golden spice, imparts is curcumin. The aesthetic and flavorful benefits aren't the only ones, though. Researchers have shown that this molecule from a yellow plant has many positive effects on health across the board, including the immune system, cardiovascular system, liver, and blood pressure. You may call it a supplement that works on the body as a whole. Researchers found that curcumin helped lower oxidative stress indicators, which may affect many parts of health in a clinical experiment. The conjugation process renders the active components in curcuminoids less efficient during digestion, making it difficult to access all those health advantages that extend from head to toe. The biological process of conjugation, in which one chemical attaches to another, renders curcumin ineffective to the body, and this has nothing to do with grammar. But have no fear. To ensure you get the most out of this golden nutrient, curcumin, when you incorporate it into your health regimen, seek out formulations that shield curcumin from digestion. 8. Nootropics. To raise their cognitive game, biohackers use nootropics, which are chemicals that increase mental stamina, boost cognitive function, and make it easier to concentrate and remember things. Caffeine is a nootropic, so if it seems familiar, that's because it is. Nootropics that include caffeine are also an option, and you should look into them. Caffeine may get your brain working, but it also has the potential to cause a crash that will undo all your hard work biohacking. Biohackers often choose for plant remedies such as gotu kola and water hyssop, scientifically known as Bacopa monnieri. Nootropic effects, such as enhanced memory, reasoning, and cognitive flexibility, may be conferred by lutein and zeaxanthin, according to research. A high-quality solution combining all three nutrients will help you biohack your cognitive function, enhancing your ability to think quicker, learn better, and remain focused. 9. Vitamins B. improving your brain's health with biohacking. Given their role in a wide variety of physiological functions, the B vitamins should form the backbone of your biohacking supplement arsenal. Vitamin B is essential for proper metabolism, optimal organ function, mental acuity, and nerve integrity. Primary B sources include grass-fed and organ meats, fatty fish, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and leafy greens. You can help your body access the health-supporting advantages of the vitamin B family by adding a high-quality supplement that employs active forms of vitamin B. Because B12 isn't naturally occurring in plant foods, this is particularly crucial for people following plant-based diets. 10. Sage or Salvia officinalis is enhancing cognitive performance and general cognitive function, anything you're after in a nootropic. Salvia officinalis, more often known as sage, is a grassy plant with a long history of usage and a reputation for brain health in southeastern Europe. A healthy inflammatory response and protection of brain cells from oxidative stress can be achieved with the aid of salvia plant supplements. Furthermore, research has shown that sage extract, by working on many brain pathways related to cognitive health and performance, can rapidly and substantially improve brain performance in otherwise healthy people. It is obvious that you should augment your biohacking arsenal with sage-based supplements. 11. Lithium. Do you want to know how to biohack your brain so it stays healthy as you get older? It has been found that low-dose lithium can help the brain naturally clear out proteins that can disrupt healthy communication between brain cells, which can have a negative effect on memory and general cognition. This is in addition to lithium's well-known benefits for cognitive health, brain function, and mood. In addition to supplying energy for brain activity, lithium aids glucose metabolism in the brain. Now let's talk about aging well. New research suggests that lithium may aid in healthy aging by preserving the length of telomeres, which are the protective end caps of your DNA. These caps shorten with age, which is a part of aging. Lithium has the potential to maintain healthy long telomeres, which in turn supports a robust lifetime. 12. PQQ or pyrroloquinoline quinone. To take enjoyment in life, one must maintain a healthy level of vitality. The health-promoting ingredient pyrroloquinoline quinone, or PQQ for short, is a terrific hack for boosting energy generation and facilitating proper cellular function. PQQ is well known as an effective antioxidant that shields mitochondria from oxidative damage and promotes their proliferation. The mitochondria are the powerhouses of your cells, supplying energy to nearly every one of them. You may have heard of them before. Not only do mitochondria produce energy, but they also play a role in the production of chemical messengers such as stress and sex hormones, as well as dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. In addition to supporting the immune system, they are essential for a normal inflammatory response. Numerous studies have linked dysfunctional mitochondria to a host of health issues, including a decrease in metabolic rate and cognitive function. Therefore, it is essential for biohackers to take PQQ dietary supplements to ensure the health of these little power packs. How effective is biohacking? The results of certain biohacking techniques are encouraging. Nutrigenomics is one branch of biohacking that has a lot of scientific backing, although opinions are still divided on other, more severe branches, such as gene editing. Using food strategically according to how they interact with your genes is called nutrigenomics. Nutrigenomics, which include biohacking supplements, is essentially concerned with enhancing various parts of general health by supplementing the body with nutrients that interact with certain biological pathways. These pathways include those involved in cognition, stress resilience, immunity, energy, sleep, and metabolism. All set to begin hacking? Now is the moment to incorporate these biohacking pills into your regimen if you wish to enhance your cognitive function, emotional stability, immune system function, or healthy aging. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our daily videos that will propel your health journey to a new level. Until next time, stay vigilant in the pursuit of your health.